Welcome to the Sheldon Scale Explained, a beginner's guide to expert coin grading. This video will answer the question, what is the Sheldon Scale? Dr. William Sheldon introduced this 70-point scale in 1948. It was developed to determine the value of a 1794 large cent based on its condition. Today, it is the global standard, ranging from 1 or poor to 70 or perfect. We can divide coin grading into 3 primary tiers: circulated, mint state, and proof. Circulated grades range from Poor 1 to AU 58. Mint state focuses on luster and marks, from MS 60 to MS 70. Proof coins are specially struck for collectors and generally mirror the Sheldon scale. The 2 common circulated grades are very fine, or VF, which indicates moderate wear and clear details, and extra fine, or XF, which shows light wear and sharp details. Very fine coins, grading from VF20 to VF35, show moderate wear on high points. Major features remain clear and sharp, and letters and dates are readable. High points are flat but distinct. Extra fine coins, grading from XF40 to XF45, saw very little usage before being pulled from circulation. Design details are sharp, traces of original mint luster may be visible, and only the highest points show friction. Let's now consider the perfection of mint state coins. The Mint State 70, or MS70 coin is the absolute pinnacle of the Sheldon scale. Under 5x magnification, it must show full original mint luster, 0 post-production imperfections, and a sharp, well-struck design. The MS70 coin is the pinnacle of the Sheldon scale, demonstrating absolute perfection. It must exhibit full original mint luster, 0 imperfections, and a sharp, well-struck design. This table compares very fine, extra fine, uncirculated, and perfect mint state grades based on Sheldon number, design detail, and mint luster. Note the clear differences in wear and luster between the grades. For self-assessment, use a 10x loupe for magnification and proper lighting to view luster. Always handle coins by their edges, ideally using cotton gloves. Finally, compare your coin against certified grade guides.